So now that we have a div here for our slideshow, I think it makes sense to move the text from our slide over to it. It seems kind of like a nice payoff. So I'll jump over to our index.html file, and we'll take this div and we'll just wrap it around our slide. So we'll do a quick search in the content for slide here. Okay, and then I'll paste it in and make sure to wrap the div and add a little bit of indentation. We'll save it, refresh the page, and now let's scroll down. And this doesn't quite look right. The reason for that is because we set this gray background as a temporary tool to be able to look at our text in a negative color scheme. So let's edit the background color in the slide. Now, it also might make sense to eliminate this slide as its own component, because it actually seems like it's part of the slideshow instead of something that would stand alone. So let's merge these two, including updating the classes that we use here. So I'm going to go to our project folder and I'll open up the slide partial here, and I'll copy the code and paste it in the slideshow. I'll save that and I'll delete the slide partial. And then over here in our code, let's update the class structure. So now that this is the slideshow component, let's do slideshow-slide for the section. And then for this H1, let's do slideshow, and then we'll do slide title, and I'll change the dash to an underscore. Okay, I'll save that, and then let's update the styles here. So we'll actually nest this inside of our slideshow component class, and we'll use the ampersand to pull in slideshow, and then we'll add the dash slide. And let's bump out the title from the nesting because we don't necessarily need it to be nested any further inside of the slide. So we'll just remove this here, and we'll use the ampersand, slide, and then underscore title. And for now, we'll leave the paragraph inside the slide. We'll save it. Let's see how that looks when we refresh. Okay, so this should be white, so it looks like we missed something. I'll inspect this, and it has a class of slideshow-slide underscore title. Ah, I see we forgot an L. Let's square that away and refresh again. Okay, there we go. Now we can remove the background color. So here it is in the slide. I'll cut that out, save it, and refresh. And now this is starting to look really nice. It's not centered like it is in our design, but we can take care of that later when we get to the layout part.